Hi, I'm Dr. Lori Barr. I'm a medical doctor, a pediatric radiologist, a fellow of the American College of Radiology. I help set the standards for pediatric imaging in this country. And I am passionate about teaching people. I've been teaching since I was a 10th grader in high school when I started teaching other students how to do algebra because I was pretty good at it. And I've been teaching ever since. I love it when people get that aha moment when they understand a concept and they apply it in their lives, and that's what has kept me teaching for 32 years. Today, I'd like to talk to you about something I'm really passionate about, and that is really being an effective parent. I've come up with 4 pillars of parenting as an introduction for you to this topic, and I hope you find this information useful. I'll be presenting it in 4 segments, plus we have a question and answer session for you. So let's get started. The 4 pillars of parenting that I identify are grasping children's growth, removing roadblocks, communicating clearly, and nurturing your nest. Let's start out with some thought questions that you can apply as you listen to the 4 segments, or watch the 4 segments, or start using the 4 segments. How are you going to do this? The first question that I want you to consider is, if you had to draw a geometric shape that best describes psychosocial human development, what would it look like? Would it be a straight line? Would it be a circle? Would it be some kind of a polygon? What would it be for you? Go ahead and draw that. And then number 2, how can you help your child during 3 critical age periods of really rapid human development? Those 2 pillars, those two concepts are the main concepts in grasping their growth, the first pillar that we're going to talk about. When we move to pillar 2, remove the roadblocks, the 2 questions I want you to be able to consider are, what are the 3 possible actions the conscious mind can take when you're dealing with a new idea? And number 2, what are the 3 unique characteristics of the subconscious mind? When we move to pillar 3, communicating clearly, I'd like you to be able to name 3 common roadblocks to clear communication. And then I would also like you to be able to describe what relationship does problem ownership have to effective communication. Finally, when we move to pillar 4, nurture your nest, I would like you to consider, how do you model taking care of yourself to your children? And number 2, where is the place of restoration and rejuvenation in your home? So let's get started now with the first of the 4 pillars of parenting.